Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So today I'm going to try something special. There's something magical in this bottle, at least I hope it's gonna look magical. It's Satin Enamel Pure White by Decoart. So I've mixed it with some titanium white from Amsterdam and water and a little bit of a gloss medium. I'm going to put down a layer of that first. I'm going to do a dirty cup. I haven't used the satin enamels before, so it's all very exciting. So let's pour the Payne's Grey by Villegas. And then go with some Primary Blue by Amsterdam. Some Permanent Violet Blue by Amsterdam. And let's add a little bit more white. And some Phthalo Blue by Amsterdam. And just a tiny bit of silver by Lucas. I think I want to do a little bit more purple. Okay, so I'm happy with that cup. Let's do a straight pour. So dirty cup, straight pour. Maybe a little bit of a ring in the middle. So let's torch this. Okay, so put a little bit of the 24 karat gold on the rim. I saw Mina do this. So before I put my flow extender on, I'm going to roll my design over the gold. Okay, let's put some of the primary blue on the sides as a flow extender. And let's tilt this one out. I think this is as far as I can stretch it. I should have poured it on something else than like a cake board, but I wanted to try this mix out. But it's already like warping like crazy. It's not quite what I expected to get. The white paint in the bottom worked. The white paint I layered in between looks like it's breaking up. That might be that it's too thin. Or it's reacting with some of the paints, could be reacting with the silver. So let's see how this one is going to dry. It's for sure gonna move because it's like, I can show you. Look how warped it is. So the paint is going to slide for a bit. But thank you for watching. I'll show you the dry results. Bye everyone!